Hey guys, and welcome back. I know it's been a minute. Welcome to my lovely refrigerator in the kitchen. I just thought I'd throw that in here real quick. Obviously, I'm not dressed as I want to be dressed today because I had a bunch of errands to run, I had wash to do and whatnot. Otherwise, I'd look pretty for this. I also need to take a shower because I'm not gonna lie, it's been like 2 or 3 days since I've had a shower. I really need one. I need one badly. I just haven't been able to between go and watch the next video, you'll see. Working and currently moving places. If you want further details, I encourage you to go check out the next video that's going to be uploaded right after this one. And if you're watching this beforehand, go and check it out after, whatever. Anyhow, so as of late on Facebook, because I drink a lot of caffeine, I'm not sure if Facebook is actually tracking my whereabouts and what I'm doing, how much caffeine I'm drinking in actuality, which, it's a lot. But it's the only way for me to stay awake. I've been seeing ads for different energy drinks that are, I guess, better for you in the sense they're not really carbonated, which, if you know me, you know that I drink a lot of carbonated drinks. So this video that I'm about to show you includes a bunch of stuff, a bunch of samples, which you can get now. I will probably leave a link in the description to this website. I am by no ways a sponsor or affiliate or anything like that of this organization. I just figured I'd get it to try it out. Now, technically, this isn't really an unboxing, but it is kind of an unboxing. I tried one the other night because I didn't want to wake my partner up, my grumpy partner, from his sleep. And I tried one out. It was the Bubblegum Flavor, and it was delicious. So it is by this brand called Sneak. Again, sorry that everything's always backwards, but it's called Sneak. They have different, these aren't really protein blender cups, but they kind of are, if you know how to use them. Anyhow, they have different cups that are like this, or water bottles, I guess you would call it, because that's what's the main ingredient going to be in here. And then it comes with this little detachable thing. I like to keep it in. I don't know really what its purpose is, if it is just to keep its shape or something, because there's like no protein blender, if you know what I'm talking about. The little springy balls. Yes, I said that word. I'm not going to take it back. But it has this thing in. I keep it because I feel like it helps to dice up the powder a lot better. And it is essentially energy drinks. We got a bunch of cards in here that do not belong to that. Anyhow, so I gotta count out how many packets I got, but it was a lot. Let's see if it actually says it. Total quantity shipped was 10, which means that there were 9 packs of this, and then there was the cup. I now have 8 packs of this because, like I said, I drank the one the other night. Actually, I still have the bubble gum packet to show you guys, but I got a bunch of different samples as well because I have like 15 different flavors or something like that. So I'm just organizing these now on the counter. First one is bubblegum, and all of their packaging is pretty much like this. It's very pretty colored. Then there's the blue raspberry, and you can, the best part about this is if you don't like a certain flavor and you know you're not going to like it, you can customize them all each individually. You can pick out separate flavors, different packs for each one. And by the way, I wanted to mention that these are sugar-free. This is a sachet. I'm trying to figure out how much is in here. 10 grams. There's 10 grams of this powder inside. I'll open it up and show you what it's like and all that, but it's basically just very fine grinded powder, like already grinded salt, if you know what I mean. But this is Purple Storm. I'm going to take it that this is grape. Probably going to be trying this one today instead of the bubblegum, which I thought I was going to do initially. Or I might try one of these, which is sour apple. And then there is strawberry watermelon. So there are so many things to decide when it comes to this for choices. But I think I am going to go with that Purple Storm, because if I'm right, I do believe it is great, and I want to save the rest of the goody goods. There's a reason why I only got one of them for work, which is what these are going to be designated to, so that I stop my Starbucks edition. So I'll be right back. I'm going to grab my thing of water. So I will suggest you cut these open because, with a pair of scissors, because they're very difficult to tear unless you have super manly, strong hands, which I do not. I'm sorry if that offends you. If I said manly hands, I mean super strong person hands. I don't. Just cut it open so that way you don't get powder everywhere. So, again, it's literally this grinded down powdery mixture, which this next part should be super explanatory. You can put this in after you put the water in, but I'm putting it in beforehand. However you normally put powder into a mixture, it don't matter. So you want... Now if you decide not to get the cup, which the cup I think by itself is $10, you want at least 300 to 400 milliliters, which I believe is like a 6 fluid ounce cup, at least, of water to start mixing this together. And then just make sure your cap completely shut if you have a bottle like this. And I literally just mix this together for like 30 seconds. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back with a review. So now that I have that all mixed up, I'm going to come back at you for a review. I can already tell you the bubblegum, it was pretty good because I believe I filled the cup, though. I feel like it diluted the amount of flavor that I got, but of course it's not carbonated and it's just straight water. I felt better actually after a few hours after drinking it, like almost completely. I didn't get like acid reflux, which I normally get whenever I try and drink soda or a caffeinated energy drink, you know, like Red Bull or Rain or Bang. There's that other one that I drink on the regular but completely dismissed from my mind. Anyhow, but the bubblegum flavor, I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. It's still pretty high because it literally did taste like bubblegum, straight bubblegum, not like, what do you call it? Not like blue raspberry or like the grape gum or anything like that. It tasted like how you would think the Big League Chew gum tastes. It was pretty good. So now let's try this. It didn't say if it was a grape flavor. It's just called Purple Storm. It actually tastes a little bit like bubblegum still. I don't know why that is. It's pretty good, but I do believe it's like a grape flavor, but it tastes delicious. Ten out of 10 for me. If you like grape, you're probably gonna like this. I also like the fact that I can shake it, and when I open it up, it doesn't like fizz up to the top, like spill over. But there's that. I'll check out the other flavors and I'll update this video after I've tried one of each. But thank you guys very much for watching. I know this was a shorter video than what I normally make, but if you go and watch the next video, you'll understand why. But I always appreciate your support. We've made it to almost 100 subscribers, which I know it's not as much as the most famous person on YouTube, but or even damn near close. But I really do appreciate your support. Again, I will leave a link to all of this in the description box, the comments down below. Like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned for more videos, and keep on rocking. See you guys later. Bye!